guys, so I got my CT scan results back. Sorry if my eyes are red. Yes, I have been crying. I went in to go, you know, CT scan to focus on the ovary to see what was going on with my ovary, and to use contrast and dye to see my kidney, to see how they're flushing, because the hydronephritis that was diagnosed with about almost a year ago. I'm gonna play a little clip of that doctor, but I need to come back and talk to you guys about something else that's important. A whole different doctor saw, not what this doctor is about to say, but I'll show you little clips of this doctor about the kidney and everything. Hey guys, I am at the doctor's. I am going over my results. Don't mind my face. I'm scared. Let's do this. I'm gonna record, just listen closely.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm doing good. Are you feeling better?
Actually, yeah.
Actually, you're surprised.
Yeah. My skin looked good. I made sure to pee like right up into my appointment. So yeah.
Oh, for your sample?
Yeah.
So everything looks good. I mean, there's no swelling. There's no stones in the kidneys. I forget. Were you told that you have a little tumor on the right ovary before?
Yeah.
Did we talk about that?
The
dermoid tumor. They said it's 3.7 centimeters on the CT scan. Is that about stable for you?
Yeah.
So we definitely don't need to do that scary test that your dad was talking about. Yeah. We're pediatricians.
Yes.
Because he was kind of coming from what he sees a lot.
Oh, yeah.
As, you know.
I was like, oh,
yeah.
you have a good memory.
Yeah. Did you start the bladder-friendly diet and notice any change in your urinary symptoms?
I did at the beginning, and then I had some chocolate.
Okay.
I felt bad. I was like, no.
And then what?
It does feel a lot better. I do have to pee a lot.
Yeah.
In the night still. And sometimes when I get up, now I notice, because I've been paying more attention, I have to get back down and pee some more.
Okay.
So it is frequent, and it's kind of annoying, because when I leave the house, I turn around.
So it's good news about the kidney. It's weird. I was diagnosed with hydronephritis. I don't know what happened or how it got better. I don't know. But all I could say is, if you guys have hydronephritis, go in and get a CT scan with contrast, request it, so you could see how your kidneys are flushing, the tubes look, because sometimes mild hydronephritis or hydronephritis could be just something they see on an ultrasound, and they can't get the clear picture on an ultrasound. Ultrasounds do not get good pictures. So go check yourself on a CT scan, because you may have something completely fine. It could be totally fine or normal. Don't worry too much about hydronephritis. Do not worry. I promise, do not worry about it as much, especially if you have mild case. Don't worry, but go in and get a CT scan and check it. But another thing I wanted to talk about was the tumor on my ovary. I've had that for about 6 years. I saw it when my son was a baby, the first kid, Charles. I was told it was a dermoid tumor, so it's 3.7 centimeters. I mean, bigger than my ovary, yes. But another thing is I really need to talk to you guys about, I didn't get to film this at a different whole doctor. I went to go see my primary care physician to go over the rest of the CT scan, and it's just like, I don't want to cry, but here I am. Just trying to like speak. I'm sorry guys, I'm trying to speak, but it's like hard because it's like it's still all fresh and new of finding this out. So on my CT scan, besides the kidney's normal. Good thing it got checked, everything's good there. So another thing was the ovary. Yeah, I have to look into that. But another thing that's mainly important here was something least unexpected, was my lung. They found a pulmonary nodule or something, 5 millimeters. They found it. They weren't looking for it, they just saw it on the CT scan, and usually in a CT scan, if they see something, they have to say something. So they saw that on my lung, and it just freaks me out. I don't even smoke. I never smoked, so it doesn't make sense. So I have to go back again for another CT scan with like, I just have to go again to go check it again to measure it and see what it looks like. It's just scary because I'm about to be 30 years old and I have children, and if it could be something, it just makes me really scared. So I would like prayers. I want it to be okay. I hope it's nothing. My grandma had lung cancer, so it's scary because she didn't even smoke. So just even the thought of them seeing something and me having to go back in a couple months to check my lung again is very scary because they want to see what's going on. So that's what's happening, and I will make my best to keep up with videos or keep updated with you guys about what's happening. Just all I can ask for is prayers. When it's your lung, it's very important in your body. You cannot replace those. So please pray, please. And yeah, and I'll have to talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.